Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter, and in this video I'll try to fit this oversized cooling fan into a mini ITX PC case. So stay tuned. I got this Noctua NH-U14S recently to upgrade cooling in my PC, but the problem is I have Thermaltake Core V1 case, and it only can handle CPU fans of up to 140 millimeters, whereas the U14S is 165 millimeters. So how big of an issue this really is? Or maybe the specs are not precise and it will fit. No, it won't. To be honest, I was expecting this, and therefore spent some time to figure out ways of dealing with the problem. Let me show you what I came up with. Right after this reminder to make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, so you don't miss all the other cool stuff I'll be making. Back to the topic. So the top door of Core V1 case have a window, and if you look on the other side, the acrylic holds on these small metal overlaps. If you bend them out, you can remove this. I did it with the help of a small screwdriver, but make sure you are very careful not to make any damage or break the metal clip. Okay, so let's remove that now quickly. Of course, for me it was much easier because I already unlocked most of those clips with the screwdriver. You will need to take a bit more time to get that done. The cutout is just the right size to fit the large cooler, but obviously the cooler is too high, so it sticks outside the case. And so I designed and 3D printed this, a hump that I can put in instead of the acrylic window, and keep the U14S inside my case. Let me put it in now so you can see how it looks. Okay, it's not very pretty, I have to admit that. But here's how I have it on my desk. As you can see, the monitor covers top of PC case, so I don't see the hump, and at the same time have a larger CPU cooler inside, so it's a win-win for me. Also, I did the measurements, and there's still enough space to put the second fan to the U14S. And before you ask what's the point, I had Corsair H60 all-in-one cooler, but recently upgraded to Intel i9, which requires some more cooling power, and therefore I just found a way to solve the problem. Larger cooler, still everything closed in the case. Works fine for me. One last thing, I printed it from PETG due to the plastic's temperature tolerances. But to be honest, I doubt it's ever going to be over 50 degrees inside the case, so PLA should be fine. Feel free to try it yourself. I uploaded the model to Thingiverse, links in the description. And one last thing, the whole B-roll for this video was shot with this Osmo Pocket and an LED ring I made for it. So make sure to check out the video, I'll put it in the description as well. Alright, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.